food lovers and busy bees. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to the Crock-Pot Electric Lunch Box, the perfect solution for enjoying hot, homemade meals on the go. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves a hot meal anywhere, this is the gadget for you. And the best part, it's available in this stunning moonshine green color that you're going to love. So let's dive right in. Here it is, folks. The Crock-Pot Electric Lunch Box in moonshine green. Compact, stylish, and ready to make your life easier. Let me tell you why you need this in your life. First off, it's portable with a 20-ounce capacity. This little gem lets you take your favorite dishes with you wherever you go. Imagine having a warm, hearty meal during your lunch break or on a road trip. Using it is a breeze. Just plug it in and within a short time, your meal will be piping hot. No need for a microwave or stovetop. This lunchbox does it all. Just look at how it heats up this delicious soup. Perfectly hot, just the way I like it. What's fantastic is that the Crock-Pot Electric Lunch Box isn't just for soups. You can warm up your leftovers, steam fresh vegetables, or even reheat your pasta dishes. It's versatile and can handle a variety of meal types. This lunchbox is designed with your convenience in mind. The removable inner container is easy to clean, and the compact size ensures it won't take up much space in your bag. It's perfect for students, working professionals, or anyone with a busy lifestyle. Safety is paramount, and the Crock-Pot Electric Lunch Box has got you covered. It features a secure, spill-proof lid, so you won't have to worry about any mess. Plus, it's made from BPA-free materials, ensuring your food is safe to eat. And let's not forget that stunning moonshine green color. It adds a touch of style to your meals, and you'll love showing it off to your friends. It's not just a lunchbox, it's a fashion statement. Now, you might be wondering about the price. The Crock-Pot Electric Lunch Box is incredibly affordable, making it a wise investment for anyone who values a hot, homemade meal, even on the busiest of days. In conclusion, the Crock-Pot Electric Lunch Box is a must-have for anyone who wants to enjoy warm, homemade meals on the go. It's portable, versatile, easy to use, and it adds a dash of style to your day. Say goodbye to cold, uninspiring lunches and hello to delicious, hot meals wherever you are. To get your own Crock-Pot Electric Lunch Box in this amazing moonshine green, check out the link in the description below. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to upgrade your lunchtime game. Thanks for joining me today, and happy eating!